Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing laces and insoles so cleaning focuses on the shoe surface. This prevents water damage to components. Once done, dry brush to lift grit because abrasive particles will scratch if left. Make the magic eraser damp, too wet and it becomes mushy, too dry and it won't work. You'll press gently at first, testing an inconspicuous area to confirm color fastness. This first step combines safety and action, so you can move quickly into targeted scrubbing without guessing. You now focus on mid-stage execution. Attack stains with controlled technique. For painted or delicate fabrics, use light pressure and short strokes because you want lift without removing finish. Once you switch to rubber midsoles or hard plastics, increase pressure and use back and forth motions to break down embedded grime. Make sure to rinse the eraser and the area often. Trapped debris can reapply dirt. If foam builds, wring and refresh the sponge, so each pass is abrasive and clean. You finish by removing residual particles with a damp microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. Then let shoes air dry away from direct heat, which can warp glue and materials. Once dry, reinstall insoles and laces. If you still see a scuff, repeat the eraser process briefly. Sometimes multiple light passes beat one hard pass because they reduce risk of surface loss. If a mark resists, make sure to switch to a sneaker-safe cleaner. Magic Eraser is great, but not ideal for every material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.